a Gweru provincial magistrate has issued a warrant for the arrest of a Chinese national who failed to appear in court after being charged with insulting the president. Sarabina Mashkobrajin's Chinese minor disappears after insulting Mnangagwa. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Timna Mono since Yang being Queen 43 is now at large following allegations linked to a confrontation on a farm in late 2025. Authorities claim the dispute began on 29 December 2025 when Jiang reportedly clashed with farmer Nyengetere Mapranka in Kingsbury along Matobo Road over what Mapranka described as unauthorized mining operations on his property. According to the prosecutors, the argument escalated after Mapranka insisted the land had been illegally allocated to him by President Mnangagwa and that he possessed an official offer letter. Jiang allegedly responded angrily, telling Mapranka to leave and making remarks deemed disrespectful to the head of state, reportedly saying, "Go and stay with your foolish president in Harare and leave my claims." Jiang was arrested and later released on bail, but his failure to attend subsequent court proceedings led to the magistrate to label him a fugitive and issue an arrest warrant. Police have launched a manhunt, and the case will continue once Jiang is apprehended. Toma developments are Buda, Pano Ema China, Anyoson Kogunze, Nikesi Zimbabwe Anita now, Yazosvika Vano Ava, Avana Nika Yawere, and is one item Nikedu, they consistent with Unika Kwawo, just Camponomede Shakanaka. Now, section made of good able to live on 0 payment developments hour. So, subscribe or like, punch it on the bell icon.